Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. I'm just gonna create a look because I have a project that I'm working on. So I want to create a natural look. It's currently 7:30 and yeah, I'm having my makeup done at 7:30. I'm supposed to leave at 8:30. Please mind my hair, guys. I'm trying to curl it, but it looks funny. I'm using the Essence, it's all about matte fixing compact powder, just to set my eyebrows before I start.
S-Bling on the track. S-Bling on the track.
Okay, I switched on my ring light so you guys can see what I'm doing way better. So I'm gonna go into my Morphe palette, which I bought from Bella Zar. I will definitely put them in the link below. They do sell authentic makeup, and yeah, just saying, for those who are wondering if the makeup is real or not, I'm gonna start with a base, which is The Weekend, which is like a really light nude color. I'm just gonna create a base. This is a good eyeshadow, actually. It's very pigmented too. I'm gonna go into a light brown. Maybe contour my face. I'm not doing much of an eyeshadow look, but I do want some sort of definition to my eyes. I'm gonna go into a pinkish color. For me, what does the most in a simple eyeshadow look is the glitter you decide to put on your eye, because it just creates this beautiful shiny look. I don't know. These for my eyebrows. and just tap because I really want this color to pop. I don't want to say I'm doing a cut crease, but I don't think I really like cut crease that much, but
S playing on the track.
anyways, this is what I'm currently doing. Right, I'm definitely not going to set that. Let me just blend it up towards the end. Okay, I'm going to take another brush that I can use to scoop up this color. It's very creamy, very thick eyeshadow, so whatever you decide to do, my darlings, I don't know, just the shimmer colors are very thick. I don't know if you guys understand, and because they're very thick and oily and not very smooth, it's not that easy to blend them out. That with the brown and a pink. The pink is almost like a champagne color. Also, try blend out this shimmery color because you don't want it to look like you did a full face. Because I know this shimmer color is very, like, it pulls through. Okay. I'm going to be using green tea fam. Cheers to you. Okay, I mean I don't mind, I just don't want to. So I usually just use my concealer and I cover up my ugly spots, which people don't even see, and people just think I'm being very dramatic. That's why my concealer is finishing currently, because I do this all the time and I never actually put on makeup. I mean foundation. And then I blend that up. That's me. This for me is definitely good enough, like, because I like a bit of brightness.
S playing on the track.
Do that. Next up, I'm going to contour my face. Let's use everything here. I have a palette at the back, inside this bag, which is balancing my ring light, but I don't want to disturb it, so no. I'll bring color with this eyeshadow palette that I have here with me. So I'm just going to set all of that. Going inside a light brown color inside this palette. See? I'm just gonna use that to contour my face. Ooh, is my hair looking shitty? Now I'm gonna use another palette to bring back color into my face. And I'm gonna go inside the Slay palette and I'm gonna use this bronzes color, bronzish, very pigmented, so I have to play right. I'm just using it to bring back color to my face. Of course, it's a bit pinkish, so that's good. I'm gonna contour with the light brown color here. gonna have lashes on. I struggle to contour. So tired already. Yeah, time is moving. It's not waiting for me. My ultimate favorite highlighter palette, and this I found at Fushini. It's nowhere to be found. You'll never find that sham. Unless if you find, I never went actually to check, but I bought it such like a long time ago, and I don't think it's still there, to be quite honest. So I don't know, honestly. And spray my face with setting spray, and I'm using that. My edges need to be laid because this video's gotta look cute or whatever. But I also don't want to lose concept of what I'm doing because the max, my love. Honestly, for now that looks good because my thing is finished. Where's I need to... Hi. Styling my hair, doing my makeup type of video. It's very cute. I love it. Just gonna wear a polo neck and go shoot this motherfucking video. Ooh, I think I look cute. What do you guys think? I'll take cute pictures, I think. I hope this whole school project thing works out. I just need to set my face. I'm just gonna... I'm thinking of pinning it here. Hi. Yeah, I'm thinking of pinning it here. Like that. Because this is an aesthetic video after all. Carried away. Same son. Same love. It's all these beauty things I'm doing in my life. Most people are always just like, your mom like was really never into these things. Where do you get this love? This makes so much sense. I'll have my ring here. I'm just gonna dress up and look cute. I'm just gonna pour setting spray on my lips, on my face, and for my lips I'm probably just gonna have lip gloss as usual. Clear, clean. I don't think I want color. And I'm just gonna add clear lip gloss on. Okay guys, I'm done for this makeup tutorial. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Thank you guys so much. I love you guys with all of my heart. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, honey, if you want to see what I'm gonna post next. I sound like level fuck that, but anyways, make sure you do click on that subscribe button, honey, so you can join the family. And make sure that you also click on that bell next to the subscribe button so that you are notified every time I do post. I love you guys so much. Let me just get dressed so that I can head to this shoot or whatever. And yeah, keep things cute and whatever. I think I'm gonna, yeah, I'll see if should I vlog. I didn't charge my camera. But you guys will definitely maybe see something on this tutorial. I'm not quite sure, not promising anything that. So yeah, I low-key did style this hair, didn't I? Okay, cool guys, I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for watching.